Talking with a boss.
Good morning, Lily.
Good morning, Jackson. How are you today?
I am good, thank you. And you?
I am fine. Thank you for asking.
I finished the report yesterday.
Oh, very good. Can I see it now?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. This is very clear and well done.
I worked hard on it.
I can see that. Good job.
Thank you, Lily. That means a lot.
Do you have time for a meeting today?
Yes, I am free after lunch.
Good. We will talk about the new project.
Okay, I'm excited.
Me too. We need new ideas.
I have some ideas already.
Great. Can you share one now?
Sure, I think we can improve customer service online.
Excellent idea. Can you make a small plan?
Yes, I can do that.
Perfect. I trust you.
Thank you. I will work hard.
I know you will.
Should I email the plan to you?
Yes, please. Email it today.
Okay, I will do that.
Also, don't forget the team meeting tomorrow.
I will be there.
Good. See you later, Jackson.
See you, Lily. Have a nice day.
You too.
Talking with a taxi driver.
Please, I need to go to the hospital fast.
Okay, no problem. Where is the hospital?
It is near the city center.
All right, please fasten your seatbelt.
Yes, I am ready.
Do you feel sick?
No, my friend is sick.
I see. Don't worry, I will drive quickly.
Thank you very much.
What is your friend's problem?
She has a high fever.
Oh, I hope she will be okay.
Me too.
Can you tell me the hospital name?
Yes, it is City Hospital.
Okay, go straight here, then turn left.
Thank you. Please hurry.
Don't worry, I am going fast but safe.
I trust you.
Good, we are almost there.
I see the hospital. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. I hope your friend feels better.
Thank you. Can you wait for a few minutes?
Sure, no problem.
I will pay you now.
Okay, the fare is $10.
Here you go. Thank you again.
You're welcome. Take care. At the police station.
Excuse me, officer, I need help.
Hello, what happened?
I lost my bike.
When did you lose it?
Yesterday evening,
Where did you leave it?
near the market.
What color is your bike?
It is red.
What brand is it?
It is a Honda.
Okay, can you describe it more?
Yes, it has a small basket on the front.
Good. Did you see anyone near it?
No, I was busy shopping.
Don't worry, we will check the cameras.
Thank you, officer.
Can you give me your phone number?
Yes, it is 123-456-7890.
Thank you. We will call you if we find it.
I hope you find it soon.
We will try our best.
How long will it take?
Maybe a few hours.
Okay, I wait.
Did you lock your bike?
Yes, but someone may have cut the lock.
All right, we will check everything.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome. Asking for help.
Hi, excuse me. Can you help me?
Hello, Lily. Of course. What happened?
I lost my house keys.
Oh no. When did you lose them?
I think this morning, maybe in the garden.
Did you check your bag?
Yes, I checked many times.
Sometimes keys hide well.
Yes, I know. I looked everywhere.
Don't worry. Let's look together.
Thank you. I feel a little stressed.
It's okay. We will find them.
I hope so.
Where did you last see the keys?
I had them when I watered the plants.
Okay, maybe they fell near the flowers.
Yes, maybe. Can you check?
Sure. Not here.
My keys are tricky.
Yes, let's check the path.
Good idea. Maybe they dropped while I walked.
Look here, near the fence.
Oh, yes, I see something shiny.
Is it them?
Yes, my keys. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. I told you we would find them.
You are a great helper.
It was fun.
I was worried I couldn't enter my house.
Don't worry, it happens to everyone.
True. Can you help me open the door now?
Sure, let me try the key.
Thank you. I was so tired.
No problem. All done.
Yay, I can go inside now.
Good. Are you okay now?
Yes, much better. Thank you again.
Anytime. Always happy to help.
I will be more careful next time.
Yes, keys are always tricky.
Exactly. Have a nice day, Jackson.
You too, Lily. Take care. Talking with coworkers.
Hi, Jackson. How was your weekend?
Hi, Lily. My weekend was good. And yours?
Mine was nice. I went to the park.
Oh, that sounds fun.
Yes, I walked a lot.
Did you see your friends there?
Yes, I met Sarah and John.
Nice. I stayed home and watched movies.
Sometimes home is best too.
Yes, very relaxing.
What movies did you watch?
I watched a comedy and a drama.
Oh, I like comedy.
Me too. I laughed a lot.
That's good.
Did you take photos in the park?
Yes, many. I can show you later.
Great. I want to see them.
Okay. By the way, did you finish the team project?
Almost finished. I need one more part.
Can I help you?
Yes, please. I need advice on writing the report.
Sure, let's do it together after lunch.
Perfect. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Did you eat lunch already?
Not yet. I am going after this meeting.
Me too. Let's eat together.
Yes, I like that idea.